Planting a wide variety of plants that are good at self-seeding is the best way to keep gardening costs down and maintenance to a minimum. Plants that self-sow have seeds that are so resilient that they fall to the ground in the fall and sprout independently in the spring. Give them room to grow wherever they land or take them somewhere else. Another option is to save seed pods from the previous year and plant them in the garden in the spots you want them to sprout. Number 1. Morning Glory. Morning Glory is a vine with heart-shaped leaves that opens its trumpet-shaped flowers, which can be white, pink, blue, red, or purple in the early morning light. Morning Glories will cling to any available support, including other plants, and can grow up to 15 feet in just one season. While Morning Glory does indeed die back entirely every winter, it self-sows at an astounding rate, resulting in an ever-increasing generational abundance. Number 2. Calendula. With its golden daisy-like blossoms, is a great plant to grow with a variety of vegetables and fruits, including cucumbers, tomatoes, peas, lettuce, and carrots. Not only does calendula bring in a wide variety of pollinators like bees and butterflies, but it also entices predatory insects like lacewings and ladybugs, which eat pests like aphids. This annual flower, calendula, regularly repopulates itself each season, so you only need to plant the seeds or starts once. Number 3. Field Poppy. Beautifully shaped with delicate petals and a striking black center, this variety can produce fiery red, purple, or white blossoms. Up on a hairy stalk with toothy leaves, it grows to a height of 9 to 18 inches. Late spring until early July is when field poppies are in full bloom. Upon completion of the blooming period, the petals fall to expose a capsule containing tiny black seeds. Number 4. Cosmos. Cosmos provides a glorious display of blooms all season long, from June until the first frost. Growing up to 4 feet tall, Cosmos is a low-maintenance annual with 8 to petalled florets arranged around a yellow center. Pink, purple, and white are the most common colors, but with dozens of cultivars, Cosmos blooms may be seen streaked and rimmed with various hues. While deadheading the flowers will prolong blooming, leaf spend flower heads on the plant to ensure it self-sows. Number 5. Sweet Alyssum. Quickly filling in empty places along border fronts, under plantings, and edgings, Sweet Alyssum is a low-growing mat-forming plant. An attractive and aromatic annual, it displays clusters of small, honey-scented blooms in shades of white, pink, yellow, or purple. Every year, the population of Sweet Alyssum will easily double due to the abundance of blossoms throughout the growing season and the fact that each seed pod contains 2 seeds. Number 6. Love in a Mist. The solitary blossoms that emerge from dense clusters of delicate, airy, thread-like leaves give Love in a Mist its distinctive and striking beauty. The captivating display of Love in a Mist blossoms, which can be any shade of blue, is on display from June through August. The seed capsule, which contains tiny black seeds, is strange and interesting looking with its twisted horns, bristly base, and purple color. Number 7. Giant Larkspur. These iris-like blossoms are 2 inches across and have a protective canopy over the reproductive organs formed by 2 upright inner petals and 5 outer sepals that surround the stamens. The stems of these spikes, which can grow to be 4 feet tall, are adorned with dozens of flowers. Seed pods containing many tiny black seeds emerge from flowering plants after the 2-month flowering period ends. Number 8. Honeywort. From spring into October, Honeywort puts on a fascinating display, drawing in pollinators like bees and hummingbirds with its honey-flavored nectar. 2 or 3 tubular, drooping flowers of a deep purple color sit atop the plant's fleshy oval, blue-green leaves. A strong colony the following year is ensured by the easy dispersal of big black seeds in the fall. I hope you enjoy the video and will consider subscribing to help support our channel.